Have you ever tried cooking outdoors and realized your stove either takes forever to heat up, burns unevenly, or feels a little sketchy when you're relying on it the most? Whether it's a camping trip, tailgate, or even a power outage at home, a weak stove can turn a simple meal into a frustrating experience fast. That's where the Gas One portable butane camping stove comes in. This compact single-burner stove is designed for campers, tailgaters, RV users, and anyone who wants a simple and reliable backup cooking option that doesn't depend on electricity or complicated setups. It focuses on quick heating, safety, and ease of use in a small portable design. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the stove feels surprisingly clean and straightforward. It comes with a carrying case, which instantly makes it feel more organized and travel-ready compared to many budget camping stoves that just get tossed into a bag. The body is compact, lightweight, and designed in a way that makes setup feel almost automatic. You can tell it's built for quick use rather than complicated outdoor cooking systems. The build quality feels solid enough for regular outdoor use. It's not a heavy-duty industrial stove, but it doesn't need to be. The control knob has a smooth, controlled feel, and the ignition system is built directly into the unit, which removes the need for matches or lighters. That alone makes a big difference when you're cooking outdoors in wind, low light, or during an emergency where convenience matters more than anything else. One of the strongest points of this stove is how easy it is to operate. You insert a standard 8-ounce butane canister, lock it in place, and you're ready to go. The automatic piezo ignition system starts the flame instantly with a simple turn. There's no learning curve, no complicated setup, and no guesswork. It's the kind of stove that feels intuitive even if you've never used one before. In real-world use, the performance is exactly what you'd expect from a compact butane stove. It heats quickly and can boil water efficiently for coffee, instant meals, or basic cooking tasks. The flame output is steady, and the adjustable heat control makes it easy to go from a strong boil to a gentle simmer without much effort. It's not designed for heavy-duty multi-course cooking, but for quick meals and simple outdoor cooking, it performs very well. Noise is another area where this stove stands out in a good way. It runs quietly compared to larger propane burners, which makes the cooking experience feel more relaxed, especially in peaceful outdoor settings like campsites or early morning setups. Cleanup is also minimal since there aren't many components exposed to food or grease. A quick wipe after cooling down is usually enough to keep in good shape. Of course, there are some limitations to be aware of. The biggest one is fuel dependency. Since it runs only on 8-ounce butane canisters, you need to make sure you carry enough fuel for longer trips. It's not ideal for extended backcountry cooking or large group meals. It's more suited for short trips, solo campers, couples, or as an emergency backup stove at home. Another thing to keep in mind is that while it's efficient, it's still a single-burner system. That means you're cooking one item at a time, which can slow things down if you're preparing full meals for multiple people. But for many users, that trade-off is acceptable given the portability and simplicity it offers. Compared to other portable butane stoves in the same category, Gas One stands out mainly for its safety features, consistent ignition system, and overall ease of use. Some competitors may offer slightly higher flame output or more premium materials, but they often come at the cost of complexity or higher price. This model stays focused on doing the basics, well, without overcomplicating the experience. Overall, the Gas One portable butane camping stove is a practical, no-fuss solution for anyone who needs reliable cooking power in a compact form. It's especially useful for campers who value simplicity, tailgaters who need quick setup, or households that want a dependable emergency cooking backup. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the description for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.